trouble that location can bring. With that, play the intro. Right, let's take this PC down once again, strip out the parts to try and install NVMe in the only slot this motherboard has. But before we get to that, let's talk a little bit about the specs of the PC. It has an RX 6800 XT, and what a GPU it is, even in 2026. This Navi 21 RDNA 2 GPU has 4,608 cores, 128 ROPs, 16 gig DDR6 memory over a 256-bit bus, with a base clock of 1825 megahertz, gain clock of 2015 megahertz, and a boost clock of 2250 megahertz. It has 72 RT cores and a few other stats that I won't bore you with. And I have to strip it out because